Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable parking mode on this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the apps icon, select here profile, and from the profile you can choose the parking mode. So you can tap information here, and if you tap the parking mode, windows will be off, air conditioner will be off, and wiper will be off. So sometimes when you just park, it's important to tap here, and as you can see here we've got the information about the parking mode. You can immediately execute it, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.